Square numbers and square roots. To get a square number, you multiply any integer by itself. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 25, and so on. The numbers here in red are known as the square numbers. They could also be written like this using a squared or power 2 sign. You need to know your square numbers up to 15 squared for your exam. Some people struggle with 13 and 14 squared, but a handy tip is if you remember 13 squared is 169, you can switch the 9 in the 6th round to get 196 for 14 squared. The reason they're called square numbers is because you can arrange all square numbers in a square, like this. You also need to know about square roots. This is the square root symbol. The square root of any number is the number which multiplied by itself gives you this number. Let's have a look at some examples. So we know that 8 times 8 is 64, so the square root of 64 is 8. We know that 2 times 2 is 4, so the square root of 4 is 2. And we know 13 times 13 is 169, so the square root of 169 is 13.